Hi guys, this is me once again, OJ Ginto, and I know for sure na nandito kayo sa vlog ko for an update regarding for the process of your Saudi police clearance while you are living here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So, ibig sabihin na andito pa kayo sa loob ng kaharian. Last January 15, 2024, there is changes when it comes sa pag-process ng Saudi police clearance. And good news kasi pinadali at pinasimplehan na lang po ito ng ating Criminal Evidence Department. Before, if kailangan pa ninyo pumunta sa consulate at saka sa Ministry of Foreign Affairs and sa police station for the issuance of your Saudi police clearance, today, hindi na po kailangan dahil makakuha nyo na po siya via Absure. If you can still remember guys, dati dadaan ka pa ng consulate to get an endorsement letter. Ngayon, pwede na kayong kumuha directly on your Absure. So tuturuan ko po kayo ng step by step kung paano kukuha. In your screen is the Absure guys. So bubuksan ninyo yung My Service, i-click ninyo iyon, and then after that, i-click naman ninyo ang General Services. Pagkatapos, i-click na naman ninyo ang Absure Reports and then Request a Report. Sa bandang baba, may makikita kayong Criminal Records Report. I-click ninyo iyon and then i-click naman ninyo ang report language sa English. Kayo na bahala kung ano ilalagay ninyong purposes. So, merong visa, merong work, migration or investment, at saka kung ano-ano pa. Pagkatapos nun, ito na yung lalabas sa screen ninyo. Pagkatapos, exit kayo doon and then view previous reports. Makikita ninyong under process na yung request ninyong Saudi police clearance. Pag makita ninyong approve na ang inyong request, then press issue. This time guys, meron na kayong babayaran na 57.50 riyals. You can pay via Visa, Mastercard, or MADA. So ito na guys yung bagong police clearance. Take note guys that once you get your Saudi police clearance through your Absure, kailangan pa rin po na ipapastamp ito sa Ministry of Foreign Affairs and then of course authentication ng ating consulate. How do we do this? So ngayon, pag na-print nyo na po yung Saudi police clearance ninyo, dadalhin po ninyo iyon sa Ministry of Foreign Affairs and then papabuksan sa inyo yung Absure nyo para titignan nila yung soft copy ng inyong Saudi police clearance just to prove na hindi iyon fake and to check na authentic yung documents na pinapresent nyo sa kanila. So once na na-prove na genuine yung documents through your Absure, dahil ipapakita ninyo yun sa inyong phone, i-stamp na po nila iyon. Hindi na po siya kailangan i-translate, dadali na po siya sa consulate. So before, if it takes 2 weeks para makakuha kayo ng Saudi police clearance, this time, for 3 days lang, tapos na siya. Ngayon ang question, pwede po bang kuhaan ng Saudi police clearance yung ibang kaibigan ko na nasa labas na ng Saudi through my Absure? The answer is no, because the Absure itself is very personalized. So yung police clearance lang natin ang makukuha natin sa Absure natin. With regards sa outside Saudi police clearance, it's the same process like before na kailangan nila mag-provide ng fingerprints nila, their SPA, and ipapadala nila sa kanilang representative para ma-process. And it's the same procedure, pagpapastamp pa rin doon sa police station and then dadalhin sa Ministry of Foreign Affairs ulit and then sa consulate. So yun lang guys ang update. I hope you learned something new from my vlog and don't forget to click subscribe and like also this video. Thank you so much guys.